Sound compartment for this one, expensive headphones, not always great. Only thing this one is the better than SoundPEATS because they implement the AI translation. The battery works flawless and the seats on your ear is super comfortable. Battery life 10 out of 10, Bluetooth connectivity is 10 out of 10. Alright guys, if you're in the market for SoundPEATS Clip 1 headphones, this is my review. I'm going to tell you everything about these headphones. Alright, let's unbox and take a look what is inside. So yes, they are advertising Bluetooth 5.4, so its connectivity very good. Also, they're advertising 12mm extra large speakers. They implement large speaker design. Now, so fit and finish quality for the price they advertise really good. Reason why I'm saying that, I have this one is just a basic black and the cheap case. As you can see, the both cases, huge difference between them. This one is a lot higher quality. Sound compartment for this one, expensive headphones, not always great. Only thing this one is better than SoundPEATS because they implement the AI translation. I had a hard time to use it because it's delaying too much. When it's the other person speaking, they start translating. It was a lot of mess. I never able to use it. Expensive, but doesn't sound good and doesn't translate good, and quality wise a lot lower. With the case, with the unit, you're gonna get the 40 hours listening play time. 8 hours per the units. You drop in the case, so you're never out of batteries. The battery works flawless and the seats on your ear is super comfortable. Right? As soon as I say the battery life 10 out of 10, Bluetooth connectivity is 10 out of 10. Yes, it is a large speaker, but all it is the amplifier. It's a lot weaker than many headphones I tested. So volume wise, I wish they will louder. I'm not asking 15 because I'm asking a lot of volume. Overall, the sound quality is good. Whatever it receives from the Bluetooth is played. Price is right. They are offering nice discount. Cases quality is good, surprisingly well. Design is nice and beautiful. Microphone is surprisingly good. When you talk with the phone with the second person, there is no noise cancelling. The microphone it's okay for the price. 7 out of 10 headphones in the low side. The quieter environment is good, but when you go to a louder environment, I think you're gonna need a little bit louder sound to enjoy your music. The Sony's also open design, but they sound louder. But this one's quality a little bit better because the Sony is 3 times expensive. This headphones, this display is louder, but sound quality on this better. So lower but good sound quality. This one, everything's more expensive. That's why I'm always saying expensive, not always good. Sometimes cheaper budget can be better. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.